Hello YouTube, this is day 2 of the blizzard that's going on in Illinois right now. We are currently in Skokie, Illinois. This is what happens as of the blizzard. We are currently trying to get rid of all the snow so we can actually walk. Yesterday I showed a video from my window. Now we're outside. We're actually gonna do the cleaning. So we're hoping that the snow goes away. There's no wind. It like ends, so we can go back to how things were before. So yeah, this is the Assyrians, and yeah. This video was recorded from my iPod. Just to let you know. And that's it.